To create a file search module, click on the shortcode builder, create a new shortcode, select the file search module from the Types tab. You will be directly taken to the Sources tab. Here you need to select your files and folders from your linked Google Drive. Click Next. Now you have been taken to the Excludes tab, where you can customize every file and folder that you want to exclude. Click Next. From the Advanced Settings, you can customize your file searching module, such as module width, height, global search, and others. Click Next. Now you will be redirected to the Permission tab. Here you will mostly work on permission-related tasks for your users, to allow or disallow. Click Save Changes, and copy the shortcode from the shortcode builder page. Paste the shortcode inside any of your page or post. This is how the file search module will work.